Hey guys, and welcome back. This is Safe, and today I am going to walk you through how you can use people per hour to make money as a complete beginner. So let's get started. First of all, before doing any steps or before following any procedures, you need first to identify the type of profession or the type of the job that you will follow or you will do in order to get your money. You can do this simply by giving a quick look on these topics above. You have multiple topics that you can go through. You have technology and programming, you have writing and translation, design, digital marketing, video, photo and image, business, music and audio, marketing, branding and sales, and finally social media. And in each one of them, you will find that it's subcategorized into other types or other professions that you may follow. In this tutorial, I'm going to go with music and audio, and I'm going to pick voiceover. Now, after you have decided what is the job that you are going to do, you need first to find examples about other people who are actually professional in this job and who are actually delivering real work to other clients, so that you can, I will not tell you that you will copy and paste from them, but you will just take an inspiration from them. So now we have decided that we are gonna search for voiceover jobs. You will find many people who are working in this profession. You will also find the rating here and the number of people who reviewed them. And finally, you will find the cost of their job. What is the actual cost that they take to perform this job? Let's search, for example, for someone who is extremely popular. Yeah, this one. This one is reviewed by 1,270 person, and he is 5-star rated. So I think he is extremely professional. So if you want to see more details about this person, you can just click on his ad or his post, and you will be able to find all the details about his job. You will find the cost of his job. You will find the delivery rate, the rating, the response time. You will also find like an abstract of this person. You will find an extremely detailed proposal of the offer. You can also find add-ons with extra costs, and you can find the reviews of different people and their comments about his job. So once you get an inspiration from different people, you are ready to go. In order to start actually making money and to start selling your own services, you can just go to post offer, click on it, and here you will be transferred to a page in which you have to fill a form. That will be the post that is going to be published, and that's going to give you some customers to deal with. So here at the beginning, it's written what can you actually do, what you can actually offer so that you can get money from. So here I can record a voice, or maybe I can record 10 minutes. It's better to identify details, or a 10-minute voice over recording. And you may also mention high quality. Perfect. For you can also determine the currency. So I will go with dollars, and I will choose $10. I chose this cost because when I looked at the other freelancers in this website, I found that they usually place $30, $40, and so on and so forth. Since you are a beginner, you will need to give a lower rate than the other people, so that you will have like an edge over these people because they have higher experience than you. So you have to give a lower price. Now I will also say the delivery in 1 day. The category is music and audio. Subcategory is voice over. Let's search for it. Here it is. And tags, I will add what is related to voiceover, like voiceover, male voiceover, voiceover artist, voice talent, voice acting. I think this is enough. And now you will need to upload photos and videos that will make your own ad attractive to other customers. So you need, if you have prior experience, you will need to upload like similar images, similar videos, similar links that actually prove your own experience. And that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to pause this recording for seconds to copy and paste the links to the videos that I have previously performed voiceover to. I have performed or copied and pasted 2 videos. I'm going to paste the third one in front of you. So what you need to do is to go to embed from other sites if you are going to use another video from YouTube or from any other URL. So I'm going to click on here and I'm going to paste the link. Then I'm going to press on embed. And voila, it's better than uploading videos because it will take a lot of time. That's even if it accepted it, because it will require only a specific maximum limit for the size of the document or the file that you are going to upload. And finally, after you are done with this, you can go and provide more details about your offer, like try to provide active and attractive features that they will actually be attracted to your own work. Like, I provide high quality audio which is processed by many audio enhancing softwares. You can also provide here, you can just need to correct the grammatic mistakes, because it will not be professional if you made any mistake in the spelling or vocab or in the grammar. And finally, here you will need to provide a description for your own offer. So I will just write, I record this price is for recording 10 to 15 minutes, or just don't mention this, recording an audio of maximum 15 minutes. I can also record the video with or without a script. And here you can let's correct this one. And here you can earn extra money by adding add-ons. So here I can record the video without a script for additional $2. Like that. So basically let's make this 10. So basically here you are making, okay, it will not accept. You have to make it like 5, 10, 15. I will make this $10 and this, or let's make it $5 for example. And this is gonna be, the minimum is $10. And this is gonna be additional $2 if there is no script and you are gonna add or prepare the script by yourself. And here you can also deliver all work for an extra, like you are making the time less in order to gain more money. And here any instructions that you want to give to the buyer, like you can provide, script is optional, for example. And here I will choose remotely and I confirm I'm able to deliver the service. And now let's post offer. Here we have a problem. There is a short description. There is a minimum limit for your own description. It shall be not less than 120 characters. So I will need to add other description. This package includes recording the audio, adding. I think it was a problem that I will just cut this. I think it didn't like the fact that it's long because it required a short description. And now once I posted it, here it offers me like feature my offer for extra money. I'm just gonna skip this. And perfect. Here you have the link to your own offer, you can copy and paste it. You can share it on Facebook, LinkedIn, or on Twitter. And this is how easy you can use People Per Hour. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you like this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.